Alright, hi everyone. This is Dave, also known as Loving the Trains, and I'm back with another video of layout build, working with Dave Bennett of Train Installations. And we're down at a resident for a customer where we've actually been here before. We did an overhead railroad, and now we're back to do a tabletop. And this is a kind of a special layout because most of the equipment is the client's father's, who has passed on. So it's kind of like a memorial to him to a certain degree. And as you see, this is quite the building for a memorial layout. It's awesome. And most of this houses his layout. So there's Dave and Bob. So we'll go ahead and take you inside so we can see what's going on. This place looks familiar. It's because it is. We were here over a year ago to install this overhead railroad, and now the customer wants us to do a tabletop layout. Still looks good. He hasn't had any issues with it because Dave of Train Installations does quality work. The man knows what he's doing. Okay, I've actually been here for about 30 minutes, the job site.
Yeah, I saw it.
And as you can see, we're laying out track. The customer did have track laid out before, but we're using guardrails and Ross track for this project. There will be a lower and upper level. So the goal today is to get track laid out and cut and in place. So Scott over there said, turn it off and get back to work.
Because you're not cool.
All right, here we are at the end of day one. Got the lower level track down with road bed. Started putting feeder wire through the bench work. Got that soldered to the rails. Got quite a bit done today. So I know one of the goals tomorrow is to get the bus wire in. This loop here is going to be about 8 inches above the lower level, so we're going to do the bench work for that. It's going to house a city atop it. And see what we get. We might even get to some basic scenery, who knows. But it's coming along with 4 of us here doing the work. All right, so I'll be back. It's a rainy day. I'm here for day 2 of the Radest layout. Looks like we're set up. Because it is raining, we've got some lumber to cut. So let me go in and see what the boss needs us to start doing. All right, first thing Dave had me do today was install these lights on the perimeter of the underside of the benchwork. And that's so it's lit so work can be done under there. A lot of wiring going on. I'm sure Scott is good with that.
I am.
So I think it makes a huge difference.
Caught under the wire and go.
Pull the wire out of the wire.
yesterday, you wouldn't have been able to see this clearly under here. So on to the next. Bob the carpenter outside doing some work for a control panel. This is day 3 on the job site of the O-scale layout. All right, as you see, we got the table on the upper level up, started the road bed, but ran out of it. So we'll have to start with that today. And a little bit more wiring, and I think we're going to attempt to do some spray foam today. And this piece of masonite laying here is going to be the road that will go up alongside this upper level. So we'll work on that as well. So I'm quickly going to jump off of here and check back in with you later. As I was saying, Bob is trimming off some of the bench work there to make way for some bridge piers. So we're getting there. Lake has been cut in, got a hatch there. Dave said we'll call it No Step Lake. Right, so on the road here, got some retaining walls strategically placed. And so what I'm gonna do now is put some cloth in here wherever there is no retaining wall, so we have a backing for the spray foam. All right, this is the last thing for day 3, is all the foam has been sprayed. We had a little party here. So this is going to swell up quite a bit, but we wanted to make sure we got good coverage, and we have a lot to cut down and trim down. Probably a whole day just carving and making it look like something other than snow. Fun stuff. It's the other side. Everywhere where there was black felt.
All right, thanks, Bob.
Bye, Bob.